Hi guys, we've restyled our website for a riser, and a riser is just awesome. Have a look at it. It's pure Arch, and we use scripts from somebody else, from Pico, the Alice scripts, and in no time, sometimes really fast, like what was it again, 129 seconds we have to install Arch and XFCE, which is nothing, right? 2 minutes and it's there. Now you can download this ISO from here, but you can also build a riser. So I'm making two videos, one for Sierra, which is here, where you choose Plasma, and one for a riser, where you choose XFCE. And all you need to do if you want to build it yourself is Ctrl+C, move to your desktop, for example, get everything out there, and then open terminal, Ctrl+Shift+V. By the way, have a look, we are on a riser. And then you just git clone this thing, and you have here a riser, and you just need to remember that you need to run build ArcoLinux with Alice, enter, type in your password, and off it goes, creating your personal ArcoLinux ISO with one extra folder, the scripts from Alice. That's it. Pure Arch, no calamars, nothing, and you just run a script, but we'll get to that when it's built. Let's pause for now. So when the ISO is finished, it tells you that it's going to be on home Eric Ariser out. So in your own home directory, you'll get an extra folder that you keep safe, and you have here lots of ISOs, and this is the very last one. You take minstick, you pop it in, and then you burn it to USB, up, select it and done. Or maybe you first test it, right, on a virtual machine. Any virtual machine will do just fine, but it has to be the last one, so 0 to 24. Check, and then you boot up. There is already a system there, so I need to go to reboot into firmware, tell them, hey, there is a CD in there, the one that we just made together, and boot from it. But I think we did something wrong there, so let's do a Ctrl+F. Optical drive empty. That was not smart. So yes, please, an ISO in there, and we need to close this one and reboot. Or what could have worked as well is right control and then reboot R. So boot manager all the way down. That's the line we need. And this is pure Arch, right? What you see is actually an ArcoLinux.org ISO, except there is a folder, the magic folder from Pico, the developer of the Alice scripts. And we change a few variables. We say we want to have XFCE, we want to have Cinema, we want a GNOME. It's all interchangeable, it's all variables, and starting with those variables, it'll just do an unattended automatic installation. You can walk away. The only thing you need to do now is be a little bit patient, because right now ArcoLinux is ending the Pacman init service, so it's actually making sure Pacman is ready. And if you waited long enough, you can start typing ALIS, ArcoLinux installation installer, installation scripts probably, right? And then yes, and another yes, and that's it. Couldn't be any simpler. You can walk away, everything will be set. You do something else, like I often do, and then I watch again to the screen and say, oh, he's finished, right? So it's an automated, unattended installation to get XFCE going on this VirtualBox. Let's wait till it pops out. And suddenly again, it surprises me. It's already finished. We have a system that ArcoLinux has not designed, and by that I mean we get the XFCE4 and XFCE4 goodies, and that's it, right? Even the login is a bit, well, pure Arch. And that's the look we get. And one of the packages that we've added on the ISO is just NeoFetch to show you, hey guys, by the way, I'm an Arch, right? So here it is, your XFCE, far from ready. I mean, there is nothing installed. It is really the pure Arch. Here we can see the things we've added, like Melt and Sublime Text, two very important files if you want to develop something and do it fast and efficient. And of course a browser to go to the internet. So 3 things we've installed. And then you fetch 4 things, and that's it. And it's pure Arch for the rest. Have fun making this a beautiful OS. Cheers.